The engine is the heart of the vehicle, converting the energy stored in fuel into the power required to move the vehicle and run accessories such as heating, air conditioning, and lights. Filters for oil, fuel, and the air required for combustion must be replaced periodically in order to prolong engine life and maximize efficiency. The heat and friction generated by the engine causes service items to eventually wear. Engine oil contains additives that protect the engine from wear and corrosion, and these additives become depleted over time. Spark plugs ignite the fuel and air mixture in a petrol engine. The constant electrical arcing eventually causes the plugs to wear out. Accessory drive belts and timing belts constantly flex and become worn over time. When the engine oil additives are depleted, sludge deposits can form in oil passages. These sludge deposits reduce lubrication and can cause severe engine damage. Worn spark plugs and dirty air filters reduce engine efficiency and increase fuel consumption. Worn accessory drive belts and timing belts can eventually break, leaving the car undrivable and potentially causing major internal engine damage. Following your vehicle manufacturer recommended service interval minimizes the risk of breakdowns while ensuring maximum fuel efficiency and engine life.